everyone, it's just a quick video today to show you the new release by Scrap Diva Designs for August. And wow, there is so much here. I got so many things here to show you guys, and I would love for you to ask me where you would like to start in terms of the die sets, because then I'll prioritize that, because I have a lot. But I want to show you the whole collection. So I want to start with the paper first, because guys, I had never seen a paper that is this thick. It's absolutely wonderful for the kind of projects that we do here on my channel, because we do need thicker paper, but there is a lot to show. So let's start with the paper. I love the design, and it is so thick. It's hard to show thickness of paper, of course, but you can see how thick it is, and it's kind of a little bit shiny, just a little bit. It's not glossy. It's a mix of matte and glossy, I guess, but it just has this layer. It's like it's waxy. It's wonderful paper, and I love it. So let's show you. So that's it for the paper. Let me just move on to a little bit more, okay? Not the dies yet, so I'll show you some other items from the collection. And now I will show you, we have some ephemera here. We also have chipboard ephemera, some pieces that are very thick, but I want to start with these. These are amazing. These are little, they look like buttons, but they actually have double-sided adhesive on the back. Look how gorgeous these are to decorate your pieces, and I am already thinking about something to do with them. Like if you have a little box and you need to open the box, like with a drawer, you can open with one of these. How about that? So look at that, gorgeous. We have tons of chipboard here. I'm looking for the opening, but I want to show you without the plastic. There you go. See how gorgeous. I love this butterfly here. Tons of bees, because bees are cool. I just bought some local honey that was amazing. Look at that. So these are all chipboard, so very hard and thick. So, and the ephemera, I am going to open up the ephemera, put it all here so you can see. Guys, just look at these. This is all you need to decorate your projects, because look at these, look how beautiful they are. You have all kinds of bees, little ones, big ones, families. You have bears, you have butterflies, a ton of flowers, you know, honey pots, words, which are always very good when you don't want to stamp. But look at how beautiful they are. Let me zoom in, so maybe you see it better, at least the middle of it. Look at that. So a lot of ephemera. This is very good quality paper too, very thick, so you can use it on everything you want to give dimension and to decorate. So that's the ephemera. Last one, I'm going to show you the dies now, but before I do that, well, I think I want to just show you one of the the chipboard. See how hard it is and how thick it is. So very good for not only decorate, but to give some dimension to your projects. So I wanted to show you that, what they look like when you hold them. And that's it. I'm going to show you the die sets now. So now guys, the die sets, and they are so amazing. I don't have them all. I have 7 here, and I will show you what I've already made with them, okay? This one is the 3D pencil gift box. Very big die, and let me show you what it makes. Look at that. How cool is this for back to school now and for gifting your teachers and all? And just know that all of these will be tutorials. Everything that I show you from now on will be tutorials coming up in the next few days. I just want to give you the chance to get the die set before I release the tutorial. So this is a gift box. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? Very unique. I've never seen anything like this. Love to make it. You see how simple it is to make. And you can fit so much in here, guys. So much you wouldn't believe. I even tried to see if I could fit like a t-shirt. And you actually can. But so much. It's great for back to school, and it's, of course, the perfect timing for that. So that's the first one that I wanted to show you. I made another one here. Let me show you. So these are my two boxes, one a little bit smaller, and in the tutorial I'll show you how to make it smaller if you want. So wonderful, wonderful gift box. I absolutely love that. So that's that. The next one is called Library Card Pocket. Very versatile. Let me show you what I've made. You can actually make little wallets like this. Very easy with just one of the dies. It's a big die set, but with one of them you can make these. But the whole thing looks like this. Let me show you. And that's the paper too. You've seen it before in the beginning of the video. So that's what it looks like. You can make it like this, and in the tutorial I show you different ways on how to use this. The full die set makes these little cards and inserts here. So that's what it looks like. Here's another one for you. This one I added a gift card on the back, and all of that I will teach you in the tutorial. You can cut different shapes of the insert as well. So here's another one. I made quite a few because I'm in love with it. Great for craft fairs. So that's the library card pocket. Put that aside. Oh, this one, guys, it's so cute. This one I actually added a magnetic sheet because it has some little pieces. I didn't want to lose it. This one is called the Bee Bag Topper. And let me show you what it looks like. Look at this. Look how precious this is. It actually comes enough dies to make two mirroring toppers, because you can either use it on the back and have both sides with it, or you can do like I did, a simple like blank paper on the back and just the front with the bee. But look how cute this is, guys. Wonderful, wonderful back topper. So that's a tutorial as well. Next one is, oh my gosh, I love this one so much. This one is called the 5x7 clipboard. So a big die set here, as you can see, and look what it makes. You can make clipboards of many different sizes. Look at this one, guys, and the last one is my favorite. I use the paper from this collection too, and on this one I also use the paper from this collection, as you can see. But look, it makes beautiful clipboards, different sizes, because it gives you 4 dies to make like the outside and the outline, and also the page inside. So wonderful, wonderful die set. I love this clipboard, and I use the chipboard too on this one, not just the paper that comes with this collection. So that's the clipboard. Next one is the star-shaped card, not card, treat box. Star-shaped treat box. This is the easiest thing to make. It's just like one pass on your machine. This is the box itself, and that's what you make. A star-shaped, like it's called, a star-shaped gift box that you open here. Look how cute this is. I made 3 to show you, and that's also a tutorial coming up. So get the dies that you want, and this is not the full collection. There's so many more. I only have 7 here to show you. So that's the star treat box. So I'll put that aside. And next we're going to have Two that I haven't worked on, I haven't do, these are just words, B words. They have set, Scrap Diva Design has set 1 and 2. I only have the one here. That says things like honey. So each one has queen bee, each one has a set of words, and you choose the one that you want. I haven't worked on that yet, but I wanted to show you. And this one, guys, is so heavy because it's actually a folio set. It makes a beautiful album. It has all the inserts for the pages, all the die sets for the pages, for the inserts, for the flaps, for the pockets. I mean, you name it. If you like to make folios and albums, this is an amazing set to have. I'm still working on the tutorial for this, but it's coming up. So this is it for today, guys. Whole bunch of goodies. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please do use my coupon code Paula so you get 10% off, okay? It's a fun collection. You will love it. And the boxes like these you can use all year long. So that's it for today. You have a wonderful day.